Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. Today I want to go over shortly with my new clamp meter. This is the SOUTHWIRE Maintenance Pro Series. The model number is 23070T. This is a featured packed multimeter, and I just want to say a few things about it, what I like and what I don't like. Well, let me just name some of the things that it has so far. It has AC voltage, you have hertz, you have DC voltage, you have ohms, diode test, continuity, capacitance, hertz, duty factor, Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature, 600 amp AC/DC, up to 1,000 amps AC/DC. You have a non-contact voltage detector. Also have a mode feature, min-max feature, relativity feature. I already told you about the hertz. And they also have a little work flashlight on the side. It don't seem too bright, but it'll do. They could have kept that flashlight and gave me inrush. It doesn't have inrush. This is a maintenance clamp meter, and I think when you're doing maintenance, whatever you need an inrush in case you're testing motors or what have you. So that's a con right there, not a pro. Other than that, everything else feels pretty good. The meter itself, it feels real heavy, not too heavy, but it feels like well built. The spring right here in this clamp, it feels like it'll be around for a while. It feels like everything is so tight, it doesn't feel loose or anything. This is well built. Everything you see before you right here is what came with the meter. The only thing missing is the K-type adapter that goes in here. I set it down somewhere and I can't find it. But anyway, this is everything you see. It's a nice bag. The meter itself, instruction manual, the K-type thermocouple, and the leads. Real nice meter. I think you'll be pleased if you was to get it. What's coming up next, and what you got to stay tuned. The next video you'll see, or next time you see this meter, I'll be doing a comparison between my Fluke 376 and the Ampere NAV that I've given my son, and I'll borrow that back from him just to do a video, a comparison video. I'm doing it with my Etch Tech, I think it's the 330 series. Their top of the line model for Etch Tech, and I have one by Ideal Industries, the tight sight. So I want to do a comparison between all of these. I want to hold you long. I just wanted to do this little short review, let you guys see. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would rate this thing about an 8.9. This is one of the better meters out there. I don't know if this is a rebrand or not. I haven't seen another meter look like this before. I know SOUTHWIRE do have some meters that are rebranded. I just haven't seen this model yet. But with that being said, this is a nice meter. And you guys stay tuned for the next video that's coming up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I consider that you get connected now. I have several videos out posted on YouTube already of some nice tools. So you may want to take a look at my past videos and stay tuned for the future videos. With that being said, guys, you guys stay healthy, stay safe out there, especially with this old coronavirus going around. Take care of your family, do what you have to do to stay healthy, and hopefully stay prayed up, and let us get our lives back to normal again. And with that being said, I want to tell you guys thank you. Subscribe to this channel, leave a comment if you choose, and just tell me what you think about this meter. I think it's okay. I give it 2 thumbs up. With that being said, I want to tell you peace out, be safe, and until next time, later.